Hello everyone, welcome to I Must Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update from FACT, the Fertilizers and Chemicals Travancore Limited. This is a Schedule A multi-divisional center PSE. Okay, they are going to recruit for the various posts, but I am going to talk about only for the freshers as an management trainee. They will recruit on the basis of their own written test. So let's talk about this one in detail. So when I will come to this one here, I can see post and reservation. So first is management trainee mechanical, number of vacancies are 6. Management trainee electrical, number of vacancies 7. In instrumentation, number of vacancies 5, and in management trainee civil, number of vacancies are 2. So you can see the category wise division according to the reservation is mentioned here. I am going to talk about in this advertisement post number 6, 7, 8 and 9, okay, which is the management trainee post. So let's talk about here what is the essential qualification. So for the management trainee post, a candidate should have in respective branches in mechanical, electrical, instrumentation, civil. A candidate should have BE BTech degree in the respective branches with minimum 60% marks, and the upper age limit is 26 years in this case. Okay. So you can see here the upper age limit is also important, so you can just check this one also. So this is very simple. If a student is applying for the mechanical, he should have BE BTech in mechanical with 60% marks. Instrumentation in electrical, okay, whatever you are having here, electrical in BE BTech in electrical or electrical in instrumentation. So it is mentioned, you just need to check you required BE BTech in your respective branch with minimum 60% marks, and the maximum age limit is 26 years. Okay, when I will talk about here the next thing here, so the age relaxation is according to the rule of the government as it is mentioned. You can just check. If I will talk about the emoluments, so actual emolument is mentioned here for the management trainee. Consolidated pay of rupees 37,000 per month for the first year. In the second year, they will post you as an assistant manager, and the amount will be 43,000. And after the completion of training of 2 years, you will be posted as an assistant manager only, and your grade pay will be, your amount will be 50,000 to 1,60,000. Okay, so this is the category wise and the year wise mention the details of the amount. Okay, when we come to the reservation relaxation, you can see here the education qualification, we already talk about this one. Okay, percentage minimum 60% in your BE BTech as we had a discussion. Okay, let's talk about the application fees. So the application fees is rupees 1180, okay, including GST for the managerial post. So which if your student is going to apply for the management trainee, he need to pay rupees 1180 including GST. But if a candidate is from SC, ST, PWBD, ESM or internal candidate, then they will be exempted. There is no need to pay the application fees. So they are exempted from the application fees. Alright. Now here let's talk about the method of selection. The method of selection, as I told you earlier, this is based on their own written test. So based on the total marks scored in the test, CBT, group discussion and personal interview. The test is proposed to be held at the centers. It is mentioned Delhi, Hyderabad, Chennai, Thiruvananthapuram, Kochi. Okay, group discussion or personal interview will be held at the Kochi only, as it is mentioned here. Okay, so as I told you, first the test will be their written test. After that, they will select the candidates on the basis of the test. Then they will call for the interview and the group discussion. Alright, so here the pattern of test is also mentioned. You can see. Okay, so for the post code of 3 to 16, on the basis of details given in the application, eligible candidates will be called for the test only. And then for the group discussion and interview, that we already discussed here. Okay, so what is mentioned here, computer based test will consist 2 parts, as it is total duration will be 120 minutes, 60 question on management aptitude, 40 the marks will be 40, general English 10, and the general knowledge will be 10 here, and 60 question on the technical aptitude, subject knowledge in the respective discipline. As it is mentioned here, yes, the negative marking is also there. Marks for the paper 1 mark for every right answer, and the wrong answer is 0.33 negative marking. 1.5 for the paper 2, 1.5 marks for the every right answer, and 0.50 for the every wrong answer. So as it is mentioned here, the paper, which type of paper is there, they just categorize this one, paper 1 and paper 2. Okay, after that, questions of the CBT will be objective, multiple choice, and prepared in the English and Hindi only. Okay, this is very important thing. FACT, fact, reserve the right to fix minimum marks for the pass in the CBT test, which is Right now minimum 40% marks and 30% for the SC ST PWD candidates. Okay, after that they will shortlist for the interview. So that I already told you, shortlist for the interview and group discussion. And I think that we already discussed, bond will be there. Okay, how to apply? So this is the important thing only here, very important thing. Applications submitted online through the website of www.fact.co.in. You can just fill your online application form through this website, and it will start from 17th February, means tomorrow. Today 16th, tomorrow 17th February to the 10th March. You can fill the form between 17th February to the 10th March. You can fill, and here more the details are mentioned, how to apply. Each and every detail you can check, my dear students. And last date is again 10th March. Before that you can fill the form and you can try your CBT test also. So you can go for the CBT test also. So I think I cover all the details here. If a student is still not joined in our Telegram group, so you guys can join the Telegram group with us. Okay, still if you not joined, so you can join the Telegram group. There each and every detail will be mentioned for upcoming job notification, upcoming free classes on the YouTube. So each and every detail will be mentioned in our Telegram group only. And if you are planning to prepare for the GATE 2025 and 2026, then you can join our live online program also, where you will get lots of the features. For more details you can directly contact to our student advisory team. They will help you in this case. They will just take each and every your query. I hope this will help to each and every student in India, because we are providing the best content in terms of the practice also.